So here we are in the morning at our gathering spot, for which I am late. If my head wasn't bolted on, I'd probably forget it, but this morning's been a bad morning for getting ready. So rightfully so, I got a little bit of a butt chewing for being late. Marty's online. Joe doesn't wear an intercom, so we talk about Joe most of the way.
Always.
Yeah.
We're rolling.
We're rolling finally. Not for that damn blue bike being late. So this might be perhaps the longest stretch the yellow bike's been on.
Yeah.
So this will be, assuming we get up there without stopping anywhere, it is about 93 miles from here. So that would be a pretty good stretch. Everything after that should be stops whenever we feel like it.
Yeah.
Gonna eat up there at Shrimpers, so Joe says, and we'll stop by the Harley dealer. We're heading to Port St. Lucie, the Mesa RV up in Port St. Lucie.
Where I lost a lot of money.
Yeah.
and I wasn't even gambling. Well, I was buying real estate.
Oh, I thought maybe it was a woman involved.
They were my partners.
Let's go take a look at the candy store. Here, we'll look at this one. The Winnebago something. Mere 173,000 and change. Last year's model, 2019. Who would do that? Oh, wow. Pretty nice stuff. Everyday low price. 173 and change. Nice big TV in the front here. Oh, look at that. They got the whole big bathroom in the back. Pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, a hall bathroom. Pretty nice. All right, let's check this out. A Fleetwood, 360 horsepower. Let's see what the candy store shows. Ooh. Holy smokes. Pretty spacious. A mere $228,000. Everybody should have one of these. Pretty darn nice. This fireplace. Heater thing, residential refrigerator. I got a lot of room in these things. Yeah. Nice. Wow, look at the ceiling. Sweet. Alright, let's check this one out. Last year's model, 172 and change. Winnebago something. For Forza. Pretty nice. It's a similar layout to the other one, but I don't think I like this one quite as much. This is what I want to do to my backsplash. This stuff here, I like that. Looks nice. Gives a little pizzazz. Residential fridge. I guess they're going to all these residential fridge. I like this. I'd like to add these cup holders to my table. I may do that. Doesn't look like there's much to it to do that. Big TV. And I opened the door on this one. It wasn't open. So I don't know how much you can see in here. It's kind of dark. But nice, spacious with all these slide outs. But I'm not sure I like this layout as much because you can't. It's not real social. You got these seats facing kind of the TV and the eating area. If you had like 4 or 5 people and you all wanted to talk, you almost have to put a chair out here in the middle. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one's only 80,000 bucks for a 2020. Right away, the first thing I like, 2 things. It has the side door entry, which I like a lot more than that front door entry. And it has a nice little outdoor station, which I'd like a lot. I think that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, probably consumes a fair amount of your storage. But so here it is. You got your fill from the outside. A couple of slide outs. And this one's a gasser. So somebody just walked in it. But we'll walk in a minute and take a look at it. We got little cameras. 80 grand. That's pretty reasonable. All right, let's find out why this one's only 80 grand. Well, first thing is it's kind of bare bone. I mean, it looks like it gets the job done, but pretty bare bone up here. So, yeah, kind of a strange layout. There's TV, but not really much chairs to see it. I'm sure you can turn these front chairs around backwards. It does have a bunk over the top, which is cool. Looks like the slide out comes and goes over the sink. So like half the sink, you can see the cutout probably comes right up to here. And back you got this bed. It looks kind of small. Really crappy mattress too. Of course you can replace that. Has a TV here. I don't know, these closets locked off. Closet space. Let's check out the bathroom. So, kind of have the bathroom here. Shower. Not too bad, but definitely kind of see why it's $80,000. This is pretty, just enough to get the job done. That's about it. Oh, it looks like it's probably a table that goes down in here somewhere. I think this one's similar to what my sister has. Similar to, I don't know, she's got pretty spruced up stuff. So this might be a scaled down one. There's one over here. Looks like more like what she might have. We'll go over there next. Let's check this one out though. Compared to what I'm used to, this one's, pretty tight quarters. I'm guessing it's a diesel, but I don't know. For that price, I'm not sure. But it's, it's definitely enough to get in. You can sleep, eat. Do I see a TV in here? I don't even really see a TV in here anywhere, I don't think. Oh, there's one in the back by the bed. Oh, here's one right over the door, right where I just walked in. So that's actually good location if you're sitting at the table here. You can see, so I'm standing right about where the TV is, so that's good. You can look. Anyway, let's check out that other one across the way. This one's, it's got to be better because it's 50,000 or 45,000 more dollars. Still a Mercedes, some sort of, oh, this is a Winnebago on a Mercedes chassis. Size-wise, looks about the same. Yeah, pretty spiffy interior here. And circular seating. And the TV is over the kitchen. I'm not sure I like this white, this kind of attempt at modern decor here. Oh, I've seen these, this fold-out bed thing. This is supposed to be kind of the new rage where you use the room wisely, and then when you want to sleep, you pull this out. So that's interesting. Let's see if we get much for a bathroom. Oh, you get a full shower. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Looks like a residential fridge.
So it's a good way to use space because you can sit in it and then use the bed when you feel like it. And there's another bed up over the top here. So I don't think I like the interior, but it's nice. So they got this one all set up. So let's check it out. Called the Wayfarer. See if we can figure out how much it costs before we go in it. It is about $120,000. Got some fancy plaque on the door there. TV going. Like we're at our campsite. Oh, look, so they got the chairs turn around. That's cool. Mercedes chassis, presumably diesel. So you got a table there with, and really not much in the way of cooking. There's the TV overhead, and whatever that is, a microwave or something. Yeah, they do have something here. It's just papers on top of it. Cooktop, sink, and nice shower, stand-up shower, in the bed and back. The lights are on here. This one looks like it's got a RV fridge, which I think is good. All right, let's take a look at this one here. A mere $83,000. You know, everybody should have one. Kind of only got 2 beds, and you know, you can cook, do a little bit of microwaving. Seats turn around. It does have one air conditioner up there. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, look at that. So you can shower and do your business back here. Got a little station. So minimalist, but it gets the job done. All right, we're gonna stop for a little lunch here, and it's nice. We can bring our friends because it's pet friendly. Some of our friends, it's a good thing it says that. Got the bikes parked over across the way there. And then we go to Shrimpers. All right, here we are eating lunch at Shrimpers. This is our view.
What, they probably put a live band out here or something?
Oh, no.
They use like this guy with steel drum like this right there in the corner. Okay.
And please do not feed the birds, according to the sign. Let's see what I got. The lightly blackened
Looks like they whitened
dolphin with whitened sauce. And what'd you get?
You're good.
I see.
What'd you get, Morty? Thank you.
I got the, it was the soup and salad. It's a turkey sandwich.
Turkey sandwich, and Joe got the same thing as me, but they're complaining because this came in 2 pieces instead of
The
one.
conch chowder is among the best conch chowders you'll ever have.
Here it is. It's gonna go right through this camera and into the hole. And then the next bite will go down here and up through the camera and up to the hole.
You told me about that. You know, that looked